At the edge of automotive engineering stands a name that refuses to stand still. Koenigsegg, a company known not for following the rules, but for rewriting them. And now, from the icy precision of Sweden's Gotland Ring, a new machine emerges. The Koenigsegg Saddle Spear. Not a mere update, not a facelift, but a full-blooded evolution of the Jesko, built to chase limits no one else dares to touch. From concept to carbon fiber, every detail of the saddle spear was crafted by a tightly knit team of designers, engineers, and aerodynamicists. The goal was clear: take the world-beating Jesko and push beyond. The result is a car that generates over 30% more downforce, with 20% more ground effect and 5% less aerodynamic drag. These aren't small improvements, they're structural revolutions. From the enlarged front splitter to redesigned rear cooling systems, every surface serves a function. Additional engine oil radiators keep temperatures under control, while new intakes improve airflow to the intercoolers, maximizing both efficiency and power delivery. Under the sculpted rear clamshell lies Koenigsegg's most potent evolution of their twin-turbo flat-plane V8. It produces 1,300 horsepower on standard fuel, and a monstrous 1,625 horsepower when fed E85. All of it transferred through the ultra-fast, retuned light-speed transmission, a 9-speed gearbox with near-instant response. Beneath the car, a reimagined aerodynamic platform does its work. Longer venturi tunnels, carbon fiber aero ducts, inspired by the legendary Adra R, each one uniquely shaped to manage air with surgical precision. It's a system that creates downforce not by brute force, but by intelligent design. Michelin Cup 2 and Cup 2 R tires, 275 in front, 335 in rear, are paired with adaptive suspension, a triplex system, and revised dampers. Together, they make the Saddle Spear not just fast, but astonishingly composed on the edge of traction. The Koenigsegg Saddle Spear isn't just a new car. It's a statement, a record setter, a hypercar that looks at the edge and keeps going.